Have you ever seen movies like Star Wars, Avengers, and Jurassic Park? If you have, you will see that they have amazing special effects that look real but aren't. But how do they do it? Most of them use something called CGI. CGI stands for computer generated imagery, and it generates and creates digital graphics upon already existing subjects or black canvas. CGI surely changed and revolutionized the film industry a whole lot. CGI made it possible for movies to be anywhere and have anything in them, and it brought animation to the next level. CGI also lowered the cost of films. CGI movies use CGI equipment called green screens. Green screens work by filming a person and/or thing in front of a solid color. Colors usually used for green screens are green and blue. Then by digitally removing that color, you can drop the scene into the background of your choice. This is what movies look while filming, and this is what we end up seeing after CGI. CGI movies also use CGI equipment called mocap suits. A mocap suit is a suit that records the real-life movements of an actor and sends it to a computer program where it will be applied to a 3D character or thing. The 3D character or thing will then move exactly how the movements were captured from the suit. Most dogs you see in dog movies aren't actual dogs. They use an actor in a mocap suit to recreate the movements they need the dog to do, and then add the dog on with CGI. This is an example of a mocap suit being used to make a character. And this is an example of a mocap suit being used to make an object. As you see here, the actress Scarlett Johansson is riding on a person in real life, but in the movie we see her riding on some sort of vehicle. CGI has not only revolutionized the film industry, but it has also evolved and changed to become better over the years. This is what CGI looked like a few decades ago, and here is what it has become. Before CGI was invented in the 1950s, filmmakers would have to create sets for each different scene or thing they needed, which would cost them over $150 million each. And if they were filming in a public place, it would cost them $100 to $20,000 per day filming. Being that expensive, some movies had to cut tight budgets, so movies wouldn't be that good. Now with CGI, you can just film in front of a green screen for as little as $50. The hit Disney Plus show The Mandalorian uses something called the Unreal Engine or the Volume. The technology is a big LED screen used to create 3D environments. The new groundbreaking way to shoot visual effects that Lucasfilm and ILM have created is something that unites practical staging with CGI. Most movies that use CGI will often balance it out with other visual effects work too. Jurassic Park may be the best example of this, as he used CGI along with visual effects to create realistic-looking dinosaurs. After Jurassic Park came out, the bar was set so high for CGI used in movies that many CGI artists believe that Jurassic Park had the best CGI of its time. CGI has really helped revolutionize the film industry in many ways. CGI has made it possible for movies to be anywhere and have anything in them, and it brought animation to the next level. CGI also lowered the cost of films. CGI has brought movies to life. Without it, movies surely wouldn't be the same. For more information, check out my blog.